guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we are here with Culture Carton. If you're not familiar with Culture Carton, this is a monthly subscription box for men. Every standard box comes with one book and an assortment of lifestyle items. Boxes are $45 plus shipping. I do have a coupon code TREE, all caps, that will give you 20% off your first box. Additionally, you can choose just the book for $16 a month or just the lifestyle products for $35 a month. I've unboxed this so many times. Can you see? It's like I know that inside and out. It's like amazing. Anyway, I love this box personally, even as a woman. They always send some really cool stuff and I end up always using it. So I will not argue that. So we're going to open this. Now I accidentally opened it upside down, so we're going to start bottom up, but that's okay. So we're going to start with the book, which is The Wolf and the Watchman by Nicholas Nutt Ochdog. Never heard of this. A #1 international bestseller. Stunning, a cerebral, immersive page turner, says the Washington Post. It is a reader's guide book club favorite as well. So there is that. Looks like a masculine book. I tend to like those actually. A lot of times the stories are very more stoic, which they don't leave me sad in the end. You know what I mean? I'm just saying. There is also always an insert in here that lists each of the items along with their retail values. So we kind of get an idea of how much of items are in the box. All right, next up we have, these are from Sock Life. I've never heard of this brand. These are pink and blue socks with anchors all over them. Aren't these adorable? I love socks. If you've watched my channel for any length of time, you know that. I find joy in socks. I have way too many and I can't get rid of any of them until they get holes. Then I'm like, okay, I can get rid of these now. And that's a new brand, so yay! Then we have a tie. This is handsome. I love this salmon color. This is from oscufflinks.com. This color is gorgeous. Like, it's salmon and then it has the blue dots. We're actually going to Disney in a couple weeks. My brother-in-law lives in Tampa and we're going to stay there. He's a lawyer, so he can actually use this. So I'm going to put I have a whole thing of ties and cufflinks and things for him saved up that I can give him, and he'll rock this. I know it. If you're watching, Paul, which I don't think you're watching, but if you are. Anyway, next up is, what is this thing? I don't know. What is this? This leather item. It's some sort of a holder. Maybe it's a money holder. This side is bigger than the other side. I don't know what that's for. We're going to find out on the card. And then there is this little, oh, it's a money clip or tie clip. This is a tie clip. And this is from Gentleman Essentials. So there's that. All right, so let's find out what this other item is. All right, this is the Dag Box. This month's items bring a fresh approach to dressing well. First, a classically appealing yet modern tie from Os Cufflinks. Next, a pair of matching socks from Sock Life that will add some life to your outfit. Both of these pair well with the tie clip from Gentleman Essential. These 3 style items will provide a put-together look perfect for any occasion. Finally, a stylish leather bookmark from Kiwi Co leather adds a touch of class to whatever you're reading. How do I just put it in the book? Or maybe I'm supposed to put it on the corner. Oh, crazy. Oh, that's kind of cool. That's interesting. I've never used one like that. Our book this month is The Wolf and the Watchman by Nicholas Nutt Ochdog. This modern classic explores the gritty underbelly of 1700s Stockholm. It explores the lengths we will go to for justice. It will make a great addition to your bookshelf. The book is $17. The tie is $26. The leather bookmark is $15. We receive a lot of products from Kiwi Co leather in our boxes from Culture Carton, and I love all of them. If I can't use them, I re-gift them to people, and they love them. So anyway, just FYI. Sock Life socks are $12. The tie clip was $12 for a total value of $82. So for your $45 spend, definitely you're getting your money's worth. It's a box that makes a great gift. It's just very fun. I love it. I think it's great. Anyway, if you're interested in checking out Culture Carton, I'll link to them down below. I will also link to my full review on my blog where you can check out the in-depth look. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.